Hi, my name's Wesa. I'm on the marketing operations team at Glean, and today I want to show you how I analyze a large set of data. I have email metrics from the last 2 years that I want Glean to help me analyze email performance and engagement. So what I do is start a new Glean chat. I'll attach my email metrics file, and I'll ask it my first question, which is generally something pretty generic, like what are some interesting insights and trends about our marketing email sends? Glean is going to read my file and analyze all the different steps and give me some trends and some general insights about email metric performance for our monthly trends, best performing email types, and worst performing email types. From here, maybe I want to dig in a little bit to the seasonality trends. So I'll dive in next with an additional chat. What are the seasonality trends for email open rate, click rate, unsubscribe rates? Using the same file, Glean will analyze that information and give me a result. I also like that in the analysis, it tells me exactly the steps that it's taking so that I can verify on my end if I need to. And then I'll read through some of the high-level trends of seasonality. Sometimes I also like asking Glean a very pointed question. A question that I get a lot of the time from the marketing team is what time of day are the best performing invites sent? And using the same file, Glean will be able to tell me the answer based on our historical performance. This result was definitely surprising to me. I wasn't expecting our highest engaged emails to happen in the afternoon. But when I look into this, I can actually see that this time is the time that we send most to our APAC audience, and it seems like that audience is the most engaged. Usually it takes a really long time to do the initial data discovery, but Glean helps me get the data into the hands of the marketing team faster. And that's how I work with Glean.